Open AppInventor.mit.edu. Create apps. Always connected to the internet. Sign in with your Google account. Project, start a new project. Project name cannot have spaces. Return to your desktop. Start the AI starter. If this is working, you will see a black screen, 5 lines of text. Return to the website, connect to the emulator. This might take a minute or 2. You should see the emulator starting. It does take time. Companion must also start. Again, this takes time. This is normal. Running the emulator appears to be waiting to get blocks. And you should see on your emulator exactly what you see on the website. You can minimize the emulator and leave it at the bottom of your screen. Okay, in this video we're going to make the splash screen on screen 1. For this we will need a label. The label is the name of your app. You can change the size. You can make it italics, you can make it bold. You can change the background color. Height we'll leave as automatic. Width, fill parent, OK. Text for label 1, again this is the name of your app. Return to screen 1, horizontal align center, vertical align, this can be center or top. Let's return to our well-being, text alignment center. Okay, we're now going to add an image. This should be the image that you have selected. Just going to upload a file. This I will select a smiley face. We now have our screen, our image. Return to screen 1. You can change the background color of this. Green. That's your decision. These are only minor details. Okay. Next, we're going to add a slider. You can change the width. Again, fill parent will fill the whole screen. Maximum value 100. Minimum value 1. Thumb position 50. Rename our image. Okay. Sensors, clock. Social, reference storage, cloud database. These are hidden. You can play around with the settings to change the appearance of this. Now we're going to move to the blocks. From screen 1, select blocks. When clock 1 timer do. Slider. Set slider thumb position 2. From the math, slider, slider 1 thumb position, from the math, and change that value to 1. From control, if then, from math, slider, slider thumb position, math, change this value to 100. From control, open another name, screen name. You can leave it there for now. Add a screen. Call this login. Login. You now have screen 1 and login. Turn to screen 1. Back to the blocks. Change the screen name to login. Turn to designer. Open your emulator. See screen 1. You might need to reset the connection before you can connect to the emulator again. Open screen 1 on the website. Return to clock in the components. Make sure timer is enabled. You will see the timer. My timer interval is set at 1000, which is why this is so slow. That takes you to your login screen. We are now ready to design our second screen to log in.